In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the transparency of drawings in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on a complex design or simply trying to make your work easier to interpret, adjusting the transparency of your objects can be a useful technique. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and explore how you can do this with ease. Before adjusting transparency, it's important to first identify the object whose transparency you wish to change. This is crucial because altering transparency is fundamentally linked to the object's layer, meaning you'll need to ensure you're working within the correct layer settings. Once you've identified the object, take note of its layer, as we'll be making our adjustments there. Now, head over to the command line where you're going to type the word layer. After doing so, press Enter, and this will open up the Layer Properties Manager. The Layer Properties Manager is where you can manage many attributes related to layers, and it's where we'll be focusing our efforts today. In the Layer Properties Manager, locate the specific layer which includes the object you've identified earlier. It is essential that you find the right layer because the changes you make will apply globally to all objects within that layer. Once you've found the layer, you will notice that the transparency setting is displayed as a number, typically 0 by default. Transparency in AutoCAD ranges from 0 to 90, where 0 means fully opaque and 90 is nearly transparent. Click on the transparency number next to the layer you've selected and change it to a value between 0 and 90. Adjusting this number will control how transparent every object on this layer becomes. If you're looking for a subtle effect, a lower number might be appropriate, while a higher number will give you a more pronounced transparency effect. Keep in mind that adjusting the layer's transparency will affect every object within that layer. If you want to apply a different transparency setting to a particular object without affecting others, you will have to transfer that object to a different layer first. You can create a new layer with unique transparency settings to achieve the desired effect. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the transparency of objects in AutoCAD to better suit your needs. Mastering these settings allows you to have better control over the visibility and presentation of your work. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your AutoCAD projects.